Hi, are you an influencer or content creator? Do you know you can monetize your audience? Become a publisher with Involve Agent today. Let me show you how to get started. First order of business, you need to go to our website. It's app.involve.asia/sign up. Click on the link below in the description box. There's 4 steps for the publisher registration process. Don't worry, don't sweat. I'm going to help you out to go through these 4 steps for the registration process. The first part of the registration process is property information. Property refers to your website. It could be Facebook page, YouTube channel, your Instagram, or your TikTok profile. Property URL. So basically, you need to put your Facebook page URL, or if you're an Instagrammer or content creator on Instagram, you can put your Instagram URL, or if you have a blog, you can put your blog URL here. Name of the property. You have to put a title, you have to give a name to your property, to each of your property. You can have multiple property under your account. Channel. We have a few different channels, but I assume most of you are a content creator or influencer. So what is your property about? You don't want to know much, just a simple sentence. Let's say you have a YouTube that you review about tech stuff. You can just say, I review tech gadgets on YouTube. Next, you will land on the property categorization. This is where you need to provide detailed information about your property. So, first thing first, you need to choose the country where you at. So right now, I'm in Malaysia, so I choose Malaysia. So next is type of advertisers. We have pay-per-click, pay-per-impression, pay-per-lead, pay-per-mobile install, or pay-per-sale. But if you're unsure, I suggest you to choose pay-per-lead. Then property category. This is where you put on your niche. We have beauty, electronics, fashion, finance, food. If you have a food blog, then choose food. Or you talk about electronics, tech, gadgets, comparing iPhone versus Samsung, you can choose electronics. Next is traffic acquisition method. Traffic acquisition method is how do you get people to come to your property. And we have a huge list here. And tip for bloggers and influencers, choose lead generation. Ad format or advertisement format is how do you promote your affiliate links or content that contain your affiliate links. We have a huge list here. You must be confused and you need to choose minimum 1 ad format. So if you're a blogger, we suggest you to choose between text link, product sponsorship, and homepage banner. For influencer and content creator, we suggest you to choose between product sponsorship, YouTube channel, Facebook page, and Twitter posts. The third part of the registration process is the premium inventory. Premium inventory allows you to share your current advertising package, which is the rate card, to our advertisers. But if you don't know what a rate card is, I suggest you to skip this step by selecting no and click next. You're so close, but you're not there yet. So this is the last step of the registration process. You need to give out personal information. This includes your company's name, your email address, your name, your password, and you have to agree for the terms and conditions. Now you can click submit. You have to wait for your application to be approved by an account manager. This will typically take 2 to 3 working days. After the approval, you will receive an email from Involve. You have registered as a publisher with Involve. Congratulations! Welcome to the family.